made it through the hard part. We conquered day 3 on the carnivore diet, which everyone says is the hardest day. We're transitioning into ketosis, and we're just going to talk a little bit about our day. So, today I ate 3 pieces of turkey bacon, a grass-fed beef patty topped with egg and cheddar cheese. And then for dinner, I made this shredded egg drop or shredded chicken egg drop soup. That was actually really good. And we had a couple pork rinds, and we, for dessert, had some bread cheese fried up in the skillet, which is also really good. It's like garlic flavor. It is the best. So we feeling pretty good. I was feeling tired earlier today. I did take a nap. I felt a little out of it. I don't know if that's just the day 3 kicking in or what. And I will say that I had my first liquid bowel movement on the diet. So I'm cleaned out now, and we'll see how things go.
All right, so day 3 complete. We could just go to bed and wake up and it'll be, the next day. So I have really appreciated having these videos to be our accountability, but I was thinking maybe we should just take a few days, no videos, just grinding through it so that when we come back, we've got all kinds of good news to share with you because I know the good things are coming.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
maybe with a little weigh-in update.
Gonna miss you, but love you. Thank you so much.